In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your Shopify store, whether you're moving on to new projects or simply need a break from your e-commerce adventure. This step-by-step guide will ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience when saying goodbye to Shopify. Let's delve right into the process and make sure you understand every step along the way. First things first, we need to log into your Shopify admin. You'll want to go to your store's homepage. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and gain access to your account. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the familiar Shopify dashboard, where all the magic of your e-commerce endeavors happens. Now it's time to focus on navigating toward the settings. In the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin, you should see a little gear icon labeled Settings. You're going to want to click on that. This will take you to a comprehensive menu filled with various options related to your store, covering every aspect from general settings to advanced configurations. Next up, in the settings section, locate and click on the option labeled Plan. Under this tab, you can manage your current subscription details. It's the hub for handling all things related to your Shopify plan. People often overlook this area until they need to make changes, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's there. Whether you're in the midst of a trial or have a paid plan, this is your go-to spot for any adjustments. Once you've accessed the plan settings, you'll find an option to either cancel your trial or your existing plan. If you're using Shopify on a trial basis, you'll see Cancel Trial. For those with an active paid plan, it will say Cancel Plan. Shopify has structured this process to guide you through cancellations smoothly, making sure the steps are intuitive no matter which phase of your subscription you're currently in. At this point, when you click Cancel, Shopify might prompt you with a few questions. These queries are typically aimed at understanding your reasons for leaving. Your feedback can be quite valuable as it helps Shopify improve its services. You don't need to go into too much detail unless you wish to. Once you've provided any necessary information, continue with the cancellation process. It's important to be sure of this decision because this will effectively disconnect your commitment to the Shopify platform. Following through, you'll be asked to confirm the cancellation one final time. This step acts as a safeguard to ensure you haven't made this choice by accident. Review your options and make sure that everything aligns with your intentions. Remember, if you're not entirely certain that closing your store is the right move, you can always choose to deactivate temporarily. This alternative keeps your data intact, should you decide to return to your online store in the future. For those who decide to proceed with closing the store, once your decision is confirmed, Shopify will process the request. This might not happen instantly. There might be a short period where the closure is finalized, keeping your store accessible only via admin until the process is complete. Shopify will send confirmation emails to your registered account, keeping you updated every step of the way. It's also worth mentioning that if you have any third-party integrations or apps associated with your Shopify account, it could be beneficial to review them as well. Some integrations might have separate subscriptions or accounts that won't automatically close with your Shopify store. It's a proactive measure to ensure there are no unexpected charges or active services you're not using. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to close your Shopify store. Remember, this doesn't have to be goodbye forever. Shopify provides options to pause subscriptions or even return later. Always consider your current needs and business goals when making such decisions. It's quite empowering to know you have control over when and how you engage with your tools. So, whether you're stepping away to explore other opportunities or contemplating returning to Shopify later, you now have the know-how to manage your subscription effectively. We hope this guide has been helpful and has demystified the cancellation process. If you have further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's support team. They're equipped to provide guidance or clarify any lingering doubts. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. Wishing you all the best on your entrepreneurial journey, wherever it may take you next.